Do you ever feel like your mind just won't shut off? Worry, stress, overthinking, constantly spinning. What if one ancient question could help quiet the noise and bring you peace? That's what Stoicism does, and it can change your mental health forever. Brain main script. Have you ever noticed how much energy we waste worrying about things we can't change? Most of our anxiety, stress, and mental exhaustion comes from trying to control the uncontrollable, what people think of us, the outcome of situations, or things that have already happened. Stoicism helps us cut through all that mental noise with one powerful question. Backhand index pointing right. Is this within my control? If the answer is yes, great. You can take action. If the answer is no, you let it go. That shift in mindset creates mental space. You stop carrying things that don't belong to you. And with that clarity comes peace of mind. You're not ignoring problems. You're dealing with them more wisely. Stoicism doesn't promise a life without stress, but it teaches you how to stay grounded when life gets tough. That's emotional resilience. And that's where true mental strength comes from. Man, in lotus position, you'll still face challenges, but now with a calm, steady mind. That leads to less overthinking, less emotional chaos, and more focus. Brain sparkles over time. That's what transforms your mental health. Not escaping life, but learning how to meet it with strength and peace. Let me know if you like a version for a YouTube short or a full video with voiceover style narration.